Hello students, dear 8th class students, welcome to our maths class. We started algebraic expression, the new chapter, and a very interesting and important chapter. And in the beginning we studied about what is variable, what is constant, and what is a term. And after that we defined what is algebraic expression, and we also discussed about how to find the degree of the algebraic expression. So then after we studied three operations, the basic operations in mathematics, like addition of algebraic expressions. So how to add two algebraic expressions, that we studied. So before that we studied like terms and unlike terms, and after that we studied how to add the two algebraic expressions. Then after, how to subtract the algebraic expressions, how to subtract one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression we studied. And after that, multiplication of algebraic expressions. So multiplication, of course we can multiply two algebraic expressions, but we are multiplying, in the beginning we are multiplying only monomials. That means algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial. So two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, more terms multinomial, that we studied. So one term is having monomial. So one term, how to multiply those two algebraic expressions, that we studied. And on that basis we are solving some problems. So complete 11.1 exercise is on the same model, how to multiply the two algebraic expressions, that two monomials. So how to multiply two algebraic expressions, or multiplication of 3, or multiplication of any number of algebraic expressions which are all monomials only one term. So in that we completed, we started 11.1 and we completed two exercises. Now two problems, and now this is the third problem, 11.1 exercise, third problem. Very simple, multiplication of two algebraic expressions is very easy. See here, this is a big table, length, breadth and height, length, breadth and height. Say this is the cuboid, so find the volume of a rectangular box or cuboid, both are same. So for a rectangular box, 5 different questions. In the first question, length of the rectangular box is 3x, breadth is 4x square, height is 5. What is the volume? So formula for volume of the rectangular box is length into breadth into height. That means what is, the formula is also given in the question. What is the volume? Volume is length 3x into breadth 4x square into height 5. What is the answer? See, I solved many examples on this model. In detailed way we have to multiply that, step by step I explained, but here because let us write the direct answers, because we are not writing all the steps here, because this box we have to fill, so we can't write full steps here. See here, first multiply the constants. 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12 into 5, 60. 3 into 4, 12 into 5 is 60. X into x square, bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. That we studied in the exponents and powers form chapter. So that also we completed. X into x square, what is x power here? 1. 1 plus 2, 3. X power 3. That is the answer. Same model. Here also, length into breadth into height. What is the length? 3a square into breadth is 4 into 5c. 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 5, 60. 3 4s are 12, 5 is 60, a square c. We can't further simplify this, because if bases are same variable, same basis, we can add the powers 1 plus 2, 3. Here don't add 2 plus 1, 3. because A base is different, C base is different. If same bases, we can add the powers. So here A square into C is A square into C only, no further simplification. A square into C, A square into C, that's all. Next, length is 3m, breadth is 4n, height is 2m square. 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 2, 24, m, same base, m. What is the power here? If there is no number here, it is 1, m power 1. This is m power 2. These two bases are same. In multiplication, powers are added. M power 1, m power 2. So, total m power 1 plus 2, 3. M power 3. M power 1, m power 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and n is n only. We can't add this power to this because this base is different. Same base powers only we have to add. Same base powers 1 plus 2, 3 and n is n. That's all. Same. Next, 6kl 3l square 2k square. First multiply the constants. 6 into 3 2 18, 6 into 3 18, 18 into 2 36. 6 3 is 18, 18 2 is 36. Next, k terms, k, k base, same base powers are added. What is the power here? 1 plus 2, k power 1 plus 2 is 3, k power 3. L, this is power 1, this is power 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Same here. Length into breadth into height. 3pqr, 3pr, 2qr, 4pq. Length into breadth into height. How to further simplify? How to multiply? Multiply the constants first. Coefficients or constants. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24. Now p terms. P into p square, because this power is 1, this power is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Bases are same. In multiplication, powers 1 plus 1 powers are added 2. Next, q's. Q power 1, q power 1, 1 plus 1, 2, q square. R's, r power 1, r power 1. Bases are same, powers are added, 1 plus 1, 2, r square over. Like this you can multiply. So look at and see how I simplified. Write down. See children, next fourth question, same model, same. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following: xy, x square y, xy, x. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So product means multiplication. That means xy into x square y into xy into x. xy, x square y, xy, x. So if you have any confusion, instead of multiplication you can write brackets also. Same meaning. Writing the brackets or multiplication symbol, both are same. Same. Multiplication or bracket. Bracket means it is multiplication only. Now, all x terms I will write in a separate bracket. All x terms. X into x square into x, x square, x, x. All x terms. X, x square, x, x in separate bracket. All y's. Y, y, that's all. No constants, no other terms, only x terms, y terms. All x values in first bracket, y terms in y factors in the second bracket. So we know this formula: a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. If bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. So that is applicable for any number of factors. X, 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 base is same. If bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. What power is added? 1 plus, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. So total x power 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5. Next, y power how much? Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. M plus n. What is the power here? 1. What is the power here? 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. That's all. Same, multiply this. A into B into AB into A cube B into AB cube. I will write all A terms in a separate bracket. A cube, A. Next B, 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 B cube. A cube A, B, 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 B cube. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. What is the power here? 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. So total A power 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 total 6. Next, B power how much? Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. B power 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. Write down. So fourth you do it same model. So I am solving third bit and fifth bit same, no difference. How to multiply KL, LM, KM, KLM. Minus 3A, 4AB, minus 6C, D. See here how to multiply. KL into LM into KM into KLM. No coefficients, so there is no constant. If the constants are there, we have to multiply constants separately. So first K factors, 1, 2, 3. K into K into K. I will write in this bracket. Next, L, L. L into L. Next, M, M. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. Applicable, extended for any number of factors. So base K, K, same bases, powers are added. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total 3. Next, L power 1 plus 1. 2. Same, M power 1 plus 1. So answer is K cube L square M square. Same model, this one. Minus 3A, 4AB, minus 6C and D. First multiply all the constants. Minus 3 into 4 into minus 6 into, that's all. Minus 3 into 4 into minus 6. All constants are coefficients in one bracket. A in one bracket. B, only one B, no other B. C, only one C, only one D. See, don't confuse with minus. Already minus is written here, so only C remains. So here also minus 3 is written here and A only remains. No, don't write again minus A. This minus is only one factor we have to use. You can use it for any one. So I took it for 3. So minus 3 I wrote here. So A will remain. And here also minus 6 written here means C will remain. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 6. 3 4s are 12, 12 6 are 72. 72. Next. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. A power 1 plus 1. B same, C same, D same. 72, A power 1 plus 1 is 2, B, C, D. Answer. We can't further simplify. If bases are same, we can add the powers. If bases are not same, we can't add the powers as it is. Write down. Okay students, we have three more problems left. Same model. If you have the textbooks, you can do it. But because I am solving each and every problem, I am going very slow because so first time you are attending the online classes. So it is first time, and even some of you may not be having the textbooks, so to verify or to revise. So therefore I am going very slow. No problem, we can complete the syllabus. So let us stop here. This is the fourth problem, and three more problems are there. Tomorrow we will complete. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day. Thank you.